Wingsuits by your boy Big Nate. The first attempt to use a wingsuit was by a French tailor named Franz Reichelt. He made a suit purely of wooden sticks and thick, heavy fabric. Franz was so confident in his homemade wingsuit that he was willing to jump off the Eiffel Tower to prove that his POS suit would fly him to safety. You'll see in the video in 2 slides how well that worked for him. Spoiler alert, not very well. The second attempt was by a young American skydiver named Rex Finney. Mr. Finney possessed this rare thing called common sense, so he didn't just jump with his wingsuit, he jumped with a parachute from a plane and landed safely. And there's Miss Lewis. Next we have the definition of a wingsuit. Since it's not as common as a parachute, you may not know exactly what it is. A wingsuit is a one-piece garment that enables a person to glide through the air when in freefall, having sections of fabric between the arms and legs that inflate when the wearer jumps from an aircraft or a high place. This wingsuits look exactly like a flying squirrel. Hey, Miss Lewis! Here we have the video of Franz Reichelt's failed attempt at a wingsuit. Although he failed, he did help future inventors know what not to do. Also, here's some creepy pictures of Miss Lewis's head spinning clockwise, counterclockwise, and clockwise. I don't know what that says, that's in French or something. So yeah, that's his wingsuit, and it's really heavy and obnoxious. And his pants fell down for some reason, I have no idea. As you can see, he hesitates quite a bit because, I mean, it's the Eiffel Tower, so it's understandable. And there he goes, to his death. Alright, next slide. Here's some pictures of wingsuits in use. In the top right, or in the top left, we have an organized group of divers all using wingsuits. On the far right, I saw this, thought it was hilarious, so I decided to add it. I thought the only thing that could make it better would be Miss Lewis's face on it. (1912) was not only the year Franz Reichelt attempted to glide from the top of the Eiffel Tower, but it is also the year that the U.S. added 2 more states, New Mexico and Arizona. As you can see, there are some other fun facts down there about what happened in 1912. Not much media coverage occurred for Franz. However, the footage of his heroic death was uploaded to YouTube and has received over 8 million views. Rex Finney, who later tried in 1980, didn't have much media coverage. It's not 1980. It's in 1930, and didn't have much media coverage until a 1969 movie called The Gypsy Moths. Alright, wingsuits are related to all 3 categories. They relate to technology in regards to all the different materials used in fabric, frame, helmet, and etc. Now here comes the equations. Now I'm going to talk pretty fast because of the 5-minute time cap, so pay close attention. Now, consider forces acting on a flyer. One is gravity, m times g, another is aerodynamic force that can be broken down into components. Lift, L perpendicular to current speed, v, and drag, d, opposite to v. If the current glide angle is angled to horizon is a, the horizontal components of lift and drag are L times sine A and D times cosine A. Vertical, L times cosine A and D times sine A. Therefore, Newton's law gives us 2 equations, which would be right here and here, where AX equals D times V times X divided by D times T, AY equals Z times V times Y times Z times T, or horizontal and vertical accelerations. According to aerodynamics, lift and drag could be expressed as this and this, where C, L, and CD are non-dimensional coefficients of lift and drag. RO is density of air. S is effective area of wingsuit. Since sine A equals Vy divided by V, cosine A equals Vx divided by V, after some refactoring, we arrive at these different equations. Here and here. Note that the lift and drag coefficients themselves can be changing with time. For simplicity, the surface area is presumed to be the constant. That's pretty mathematical and scientific to me. As you can see, there are many effects that the wingsuit had on the outside world, such as incognito military use, base jumping became a sport, and the fabrics and frames used for wingsuits has expanded our textile industry. Here are some citations, and here are more citations over here. Alright, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed.